If you want to cancel a GoDaddy subscription, whether that's a domain, hosting plan, website builder, or email service, this video will walk you through it step by step. I'll show you exactly where to click so you can turn off auto-renew or cancel the renewal on the products you no longer need. This is a simple process, but it's important to do it carefully so you don't accidentally cancel the wrong item. And if this guide helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to GoDaddy.com. Once the site loads, sign into your GoDaddy account using the email address and password associated with the product you want to manage. If you have multiple accounts, double check that you're in the right one before moving forward. After you're signed in, look for the My Products section. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of your active services in one place. Click on My Products to open your account dashboard and view everything tied to your profile. Now scroll through the list until you find the product you want to cancel. This could be a domain name, web hosting, a website plan, Microsoft 365 email, or another subscription. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the correct product, especially if you have more than one service with GoDaddy. Once you've found the right product, click Manage next to it. This will open the settings for that specific subscription and give you the options related to renewal and billing. From there, go to either renewals and billing or settings, depending on what appears for your product. GoDaddy may display the cancellation options in slightly different places depending on the service type, but the goal is the same. You want to get to the subscription management screen. Next, click Manage Subscription. This is the area where you can control whether the product renews automatically or stays active until the end of the billing period. If you're trying to stop future charges, this is the step you need. You'll usually see a checkbox for the product. Select the checkbox next to the item you want to cancel so GoDaddy knows exactly which subscription you're changing. Again, be careful if there are multiple products listed on the page. After selecting the product, click Turn off auto-renew or cancel renewal. This is the key step that stops the subscription from renewing again. In many cases, this does not immediately delete the product, but it prevents the next billing cycle from going through. GoDaddy will then ask you to choose a reason for cancellation. This is a normal part of the process, so just pick the reason that best matches your situation. Whether you're no longer using the service, moving to another provider, or just reducing costs, select the option that fits. Once you've chosen a reason, review the cancellation details carefully. Make sure the right product is selected and that you understand what will happen next. If everything looks correct, confirm the cancellation. Finally, click Yes, Cancel. After that, GoDaddy should process your request and turn off the renewal for that subscription. In some cases, you may receive a confirmation message or email letting you know the change was successful. And that's it. You've now cancelled a GoDaddy subscription or turned off auto-renew for the product you wanted to manage. If you were mainly trying to avoid being charged again, this is the most important step to take. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.